up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. This is Boosted Dave going live. So I'm sorry guys, I'm gonna start off. I'm sorry I haven't posted anything on the last 3 weeks. I just been extremely busy with work, and I'm very blessed. So I just want to catch up with you guys. Right now we're on the Scat Pack, and I haven't even posted any videos of a review on my Catless mid pipes, and I'm extremely fucking happy. It fucking sounds amazing, and it's running great. So like I said, I've been really busy, but in the last week, one of my lights, my headlights, was flashing and turning on and turning off and turning on, and it suddenly just stopped. I was coming back from the valley, and one of the cops pulled me over, and he's like, "Hey, one of your headlights is out." I was like, "Yes, it's been having a problem, and now it's just off." So I've been working a lot, so I really didn't have the time to figure out the problem, if it was just the HID or the bulb or whatever. But it's my first weekend off, so we're gonna go in it and fucking try to find the problem, and once we get back to the house, I'll keep you guys posted. Right, so we're back at the house. Sorry, my engine's a little dirty, but haven't had any time to clean it. So this light, it's the driver's side HID. It just turned off. Like it was going on and off, and then it just decided to stop. So I was like, you know what? Before buying the bulbs or the HIDs or the ballast that come, because these are the D3S, the HID that comes with a little box and the light, and then there's like a little ballast on this side. So I was like, before buying all that, I'm just gonna go through and check all my fuses, check if the connectors were bad or something. What's unattached or not making any contact. So if you have your owner's user's guides, it damn works. If you go to the very back of the page, it tells you up here, front power distribution center fuse. So that's that one right there. And if you come all the way down up here, 15 and 16, boom, 20 amp and 20 amp yellow for left HID and right HID if equipped. This card comes with the HIDs. So either or on the box, it's on the bottom of this box, tells you the same thing. So if you don't have your owner's manual, it tells you up here that where is it? Boom, boom, right there, 15 and 16. And you come up here and you see them 15 and 16. So you put your box like this. It says 15 and 16 on top. That's 15 and 16. That's how you read these things. That's where they all go, the fuses. So guess what I found? I came up here and I used the little pliers that come with it, and just look at this. Look, these things are burned. I don't know why. Look, focus. Oh, let me put it up here so you can guys see it. But the fuses are burned. I don't know why. Look at these sides. Both of them, the left and the right, are burned. Let me try to focus this thing. Let's see if we can get it for closer. It doesn't want to focus, but they're both burned. Let me get the other one. These are 20A, left and right. This is the other one. Look, both of them are burned. I don't know what's up. I don't know if there's too much current going through here for the HIDs. But it doesn't even look burnt on the inside, because I was looking at them with a flashlight. They don't look burnt on the inside. But these things are fucking burned. Both of them. So that's a concern I have. I want to take it back to the dealer and see what they tell me, because both are burned. So for the meantime, I just went to O'Reilly's and got me some fuses extra. These were $2. So we're going to replace those and see if it turns on again. So remember, 15 and 16, they're just the ones on the very back side. This side up here. 20. There's the other one. And there we go. That's 20 and 20. These fucking things are burned as fuck. Pretty damn bad. I'll put a picture up close once at the end of the video if you guys want to see that. But where are my keys? Okay, let's see if it works now. There we go. It's working back. Before, just this one would turn on and this one wouldn't. Just in the cold starts, it would turn on, then it would turn back off, and that's it. There we go. Let's try the on the inside. Just turn them off by the on the automatic thing. These are for the fog lights. These are for the running lights in the daytime. Let's see. Yep. Everybody else is having this issue with your HID lights or the original ones that comes with them. I think it's the same thing for the B6, 5.7, and 392 is the Hellcats, Challengers, whatever. It's gonna be the same thing. If you guys are having this problem, come and check your fuse box right up in here. 15 and 16s, use to the left and right HIDs. Check your fuse box on the bottom if you don't have your owner's manual, but these are very helpful if you know how to read them. And yeah, guys, that's it for today. I'll be doing another video next week with another review on my testing out the Catalyst mid pipes at full wide open throttles in the street. So stay tuned for that, guys. So thank you. Please share, like, and subscribe.